Hello, how you guys doing today? This is Coach Ernest Allen. These are 4 movements that I use to improve the knee and hip strength and mobility. Hello, this is Coach E. Allen. Today we're going to cover some combo training methods. I hope you enjoy it. Train smarter, faster, stronger. Here's the first exercise. This is the landmine front squat to press. This is one of my longtime members, Pat. This is a full body movement that we're going to start with, and this gets the body primed up to move, and it's a great exercise for knee and hip strength and mobility. This is the second exercise in the knee, hip, and strength and mobility series for this video. This is the single leg band RDL, or I have it listed as a band single leg RDL, the Romanian deadlift. If you're familiar with the Romanian deadlift, it's one of the best movements to improve your strength of your back of your leg or the posterior area of the leg. And with the band added and the load where the stress is being addressed, which is being basically balanced and held by the upper body, it also is good for the upper shoulder girdle stability, which I don't want to get too nerdy about this, which there's a sling that's cross diagonal from your left hip to your right shoulder, and from your right hip to your left shoulder, where it's actually important for your posture and your ability to control your body through movements. This is the third exercise within this knee, hip, and strength mobility series. This is Pat pulling and pushing the sled. This is one of the key movements that helps her improve her knee and hip, ankle mobility and strength, and is helping her stave off getting her second knee replacement. This is the fourth and final exercise within this exercise demo video and Pat's workout. This is the terminal knee extension with the band. This is a single leg unilateral exercise that we use to double down on the exercises we've done in the session, and it encourages her to focus on her knee, hip extension, and the kettlebell added is to help her improve her body control through this movement pattern. It's one of the best movements for your knee health and hip mobility.
Good work. Good job, man.
Train smarter, faster, stronger.